Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 42. Confusion of caste leads the slayer of the family to hell, for their forefathers fall deprived of the offerings of pinda, rice ball, and water, libations.
Chapter 1, Shloka 42. Sankaro narakayaiva kulagnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hesham lupta pindodaka kriyaha.
In the previous Shloka 41, we saw Arjuna talking about confusion of castes and intermingling of incomparable traits, and the result of which is there is more confusion, and the family unit where all these traditions are there, if it is lost, then what is the result of that? In this shloka, he says the slayer of the family goes to hell, and then nobody is there to offer libations and food to the ancestors. So we will try to see. Here Arjuna is trying to point out to us the consequences of the admixture of castes. What arguments he is giving are being inspired by some foolishness which he is harboring in the core of his heart. And he wants to continue to give more and more arguments to convince Lord Krishna, but he is not getting the support from his friend Lord Krishna. The arguments now he is giving is, our forefathers, when they go, they leave behind some traditions, and it is our duty that to maintain those traditions and then see that they are improved upon. And then when we hand over to our following generations, they get a torch which is better lit. We believe in life after death, and so we say that our forefathers, they are as if watching from top how we are maintaining the traditions which they have left with us. And if we look after them properly, it is as if food and water for them. On the other hand, if we neglect them or destroy them, it is very painful. Painful like what? Like hunger and thirst. So, here is saying is, if a family unit is destroyed, then there will be nobody to carry forward the traditions of the family. Another thing is, religion is a very important part of Indian tradition. Religion tells us what the values are, and once we live these values over a period of time, then culture is the fragrance of living these values. And that culture is what is carried forward from generation to generation. So these are very good arguments which Arjuna is saying, but we have to remember they are to support a wrong cause. So this will continue in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.